Oh, yeah, these glasses are not gonna be a good idea. I look like I'm wearing double glasses. Welcome to today's video. So, fall makeup capsule. Are you guys ready for this? I'm so ready for this. I don't know why, but of all the capsules that I do, well, I mean, there's only 4 for each season, but of all of them I do, I really do think the fall one is my favorite. Not because I'm basic, I just really like fall colors. So let's get into this. So first of all, the compact reveal. This is kind of a new thing. I didn't used to always switch out the compact design with each capsule, but I was like, you know what, there's so many different designs and I do kind of like forget about that and just stick to one, which is fine, like minimalist, right? But it's kind of fun to switch out some other designs, especially if I already do have them, which I do have a lot of them. So anyway, the fall design I went with is the Crushed Velvet. So pretty, right? So yeah, it's like gold and then it's got that super pretty like vintage blue and it sparkles like in the light. And this is the mini double decker, so it's got 2 layers. Okay, so I'm gonna show you what is inside first and then we will do our quick fall eyeshadow look. Hair out of my eye. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Where are you? Okay, so we're gonna start with the top layer, which is all my creams. So this is all the face stuff. I know that one looks scary. We're gonna get to her. Okay, she actually is really pretty. Okay, so I have my 2 foundation colors. So I feel like everyone, maybe not everyone, but most people really benefit from having 2 different highlight shades. It's good for like either one for like concealing, like redness, blemishes, or just one as like a main and then one as like a lighter brightening one, which is more or less what I use 2 for me. I just like the extra brightening under my eyes and yeah, I just think it's really pretty. So 2 highlight colors, contour shade, and then these are the blush and lips I chose for fall. So we have Sandstone, nope. We have Nude, Sandstone, and Black Cherry. So I am gonna swatch them all on my arm so you can see, and then I'm gonna put on Sandstone on my lips and my cheeks so you can see it in person. Okay, so first, Nude. So it's pretty true to color of what it is in the tin. Wow, I'm making this really difficult. It's pretty true to color. And then Sandstone. Oh. Seriously, why do I always choose the most freaking awkward ways to swatch? This is so professional and so beautiful. Okay, so again, Sandstone is pretty true to the tin as well. Okay, then Black Cherry. This is the one that is very deceiving. Like it looks so dark in the tin. It looks like this dark, like grape purple, but it's really not. I mean, it is a purpley shade, but I'm gonna show you this magic. So same thing with this color. You can go light at first if you just want a very sheer kind of gloss, or you can keep adding on and really build that purpley red. So to be honest, it's not my favorite just because I'm not really a big purple fan, but I know a lot of people are and it really is a pretty color for fall, especially going with those like purpley mauve eyeshadow colors that people like to wear. And it is a gloss, so if you like glossy, that's a good one. Sandstone is matte. Nude is pretty much a matte, but it's a very smooth matte. It's almost, it's a little satiny, but not like total satin. It's just a good shade. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you Sandstone on, because I told you I would. I'm gonna show the eyeshadows in just a minute, and then I'll do the look. And I'm gonna be putting it on with one of the brushes in this capsule. There's 3 of them. So the first one is the Multitasker. I've definitely shown this brush a lot of times and talked about it. It really is an amazing multitasker brush. You can do anything from like eyeliner, brows, lip liner, lipstick like I'm gonna do, spot concealing, lots of things. So let's go ahead and put this on. I don't always put it on with the brush. Usually I do use my finger, but I do love that with the brush, it just gives you obviously more precision and it's just really smooth. And it's kind of fun to put on with the brush. It's like you're painting. So it's a good red, but it's not like too dark and scary, right? It's still like good for every day. But I'm gonna add on another layer to kind of deepen the color a little bit so you can just kind of see what I'm talking about. See, it's not crazy, just deepened it a little bit, but it really is the perfect fall lip color. So Sandstone is the name again. And I'm gonna throw that on my cheeks as well. And for that, I am just gonna use my finger really quick. So it is super pigmented on the face, so you don't need a lot. In fact, I probably put too much, to be honest with you. Okay, so there it is on the cheeks. So another reason I really love the mascara lip and cheeks, the fact that they're cream, is they're super easy to mix and like make new combos. If you're like, that one is a little too strong or like too pink or too dark, mix another shade with it and then like it fixes the problem super easy. So although I love Sandstone by itself, I really love putting nude on top. So that's our nude, if you remember. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of that on top. Just wait. See? Super pretty, right? Okay, let's move on to the eyeshadows, because I know we're all super excited about that. Okay, so this year's 2020 fall eyeshadow lineup is okay, so we have Philly, a good deep brown color, Foxy, Stardust, Bright Eyes, Stay Golden, You Complete Me, Lullaby, and Zion. You guys, I did that without skipping a beat. First take. Okay, so I love this palette for a few reasons. One, it's super versatile. Like you can get a lot of different looks from this. You can get like a super natural everyday look. You can go a little more smoky date night kind of look. And it's good because it really goes with any eye color. So it doesn't matter if you have green eyes, blue eyes, these shades are pretty complementary no matter what. And I like that there's a good mix of shimmers and matte. In fact, it's like even. There's 4 shimmers, so right here. And then there's 4 matte right there. Okay, so the look I'm gonna show you today is super easy. I'm just gonna be using Stay Golden, Philly, and Bright Eyes. So a good brown combo, because I know how you people like your brown eyeshadows, and I don't blame you. Okay, so I already have a base primer on my eyes. I just use my highlight foundation. I put it on my lids. That just works for me. But if you want to use an actual eyeshadow primer, then by all means, do it. Okay, we're going in with our second brush of the capsule, the Eyeshadow Everything brush. You guys should be pretty familiar with it by now because I always talk about it. I'm gonna take this fluffy side into Stay Golden, tap it good. And yeah, we're just gonna do an all over wash with that one. And as always, when I do eyeshadow looks, you can stop at any point. So if right now you're like, one color, I like that, it's natural, good, light, then keep it that way. All right, second color we're gonna go in with, very aggressive. Second shade we're gonna go in with is Philly. And as you can see, it is a dark color. It's very pigmented. All mascara eyeshadows are very pigmented. So when you go to do your eye makeup, start small with a little bit and then just add in and blend, 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 blend. Blend. So I'm going to take just a little bit, barely tapping it. And we're going to focus it on the outside corner and then drag it in. So I'm mostly focusing on the outside corner and my crease. Okay, and then I'm gonna take the other end and do a little bit of liner with that same color filly. Okay, and last up with the eyes is we're gonna add in a little bit of shimmer. Just a little bit. A little bit of shimmer never hurt no one. Okay, so with this Bright Eyes and the fluffy side, again, just a little bit. It's very pigmented. And I'm gonna put that in the center of my eyelid. Okay, so that's it for the eye look and all the rest of the makeup, but there's two last things in the capsule I'm gonna show you. The first one being the last brush in our capsule, the Buffy brush. So obviously this is gonna be your main face brush. It's a full coverage, gives you that like nice airbrush look. It's got two sides, they're the same like shape and density. This one just obviously is more for like your highlight to get nice, good coverage really fast. This is really great for like really defined contour, but they still blend out really good. So if you're worried about it like being too intense, you can still sit there and, you know, blend it and buff it out. It is called the Buffy, so. So yeah, it's still good for natural finishes. And yeah, it's just a good, like versatile, easy to use brush. And then the final thing in the capsule, because honestly, I don't think I could not include it. Could not include it. I couldn't not include it. The Stay Setting Spray. Now, depending on when you watch this video, you might hate me right now because this keeps going out of stock. It just does. It's just a hot item. It's hard to keep in, but it does get restocked fairly frequently. So if it is currently out of stock when you're watching this, you can join my Telegram channel. The link is down below, and I will instantly notify you when it's back. Instantly. Otherwise, if it is in stock when you're watching this, go grab it right now. Hurry. Kidding. But I mean, it seriously does make my makeup last way longer when I use it, but it's lightweight, so I don't feel like I'm wearing anything. It's not sticky. It smells super good. It's just, I just get it. I love it. It's amazing. Okay, that is it for the fall makeup capsule. I hope you guys liked it. I am pretty excited about it. I'm excited about this compact, and I'm excited about the colors. I'm just so excited. As always, if you have any questions about shades, this makeup, this company, anything, my email's down there, so reach out to me. And there's also a link down there for a quiz. It's a makeup routine quiz. It's super short, it's free, and basically I just give you your whole like customized, simplified makeup routine. So if you have a hard time making decisions, or you just struggle with makeup and you don't know what to do, what to wear, so take the quiz, and then within 24 hours, I will reach out to you with your perfect new makeup routine and makeup colors. So it's pretty awesome, actually. And with all that being said, thank you so much for watching today's video. I appreciate you guys so much. If you like my videos or even just kind of like them, I will take either. And you want to keep seeing them in the future, you should probably subscribe. You can do it super easy right now by clicking on my face, or if you want to watch more videos, check out that one. And until next time,